Hey guys, today I'll show you how to self-host multiple WordPress websites using KeyHelp control panel on one server. So KeyHelp is free and you can install it on multiple servers without any license. So let's get started. So I have here two domains. So webshanks.space and webshanks.org. And I'm using one dedicated server. So I'll be using DartNode in this tutorial. And I'm here on my DartNode dedicated server dashboard. So if you don't know how to set up a DartNode dedicated server, I will put a link on the description down below so that you can follow. Let's log in. So we'll just copy this IP and just paste it here and just click login. So I am using Bitwise SSH client. This is absolutely free. Just click new terminal console. And by the way, I am using Ubuntu 24.04 LCS. So first we will update our system. And now we will copy the installation script. So I'll just copy this one and we'll paste this and hit enter. Okay, now let's install KeyHelp. So we will choose next page. So hit enter and we will set a host name. So we will choose 1. And by the way, if you want to set a host name, for instance, panel.yourdomain.com, be sure to have an A record. Let's go to DNS and I will be using mail as my host name. So it is pointed to my server IP. And let's go back. Will be mail.webshanks.org. And if you want to set an email address, just choose 4. And we'll enter our email address. And we will start the installation. So just choose S. And we will wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. Okay, the installation has finished and it will automatically reboot. So we'll just leave this. Okay, let's open a new terminal console. And here we can see our access. So we'll just copy this one. And we will enter our username and password. So password is this one and our username is keyadmin. And welcome to your KeyHelp dashboard. We'll just close this one. And here you can see your server information, your server usage, and your applications running. So this is the beauty of dedicated server. And we will add a domain. So if this is the first time you will add a domain, you will need to add a user. So if you will click add domain, there is no user. So we will go to user administration. We will add a client. And we will say webshanks. Set your email address and add a password. Okay, just paste a secure password here. I won't send this to my email. So we will not create a system domain. For account template, use unlimited and click apply. Then for contact data, you can add your personal details here. And for resources, it is unlimited. And you can set a permission. And we'll just click save. And let's go to domains. And just click add domain. Choose an owner. And click continue. We will add our first website. So that will be webchunks.org. Okay, we'll just disable this and let's go to security. We will choose let's encrypt. Okay, we will force secure connection. Be sure to enable this one. And this is optional. You can enable this. And if you want to enable email, just leave this as a check. And all good. We'll just click save. And we will wait for a few minutes. And before I forget, be sure you have an A record for this to issue an SSL certificate. So I've added an A record for my root domain. And let's refresh. And our site is running. So now, under owner, just click this username. So just click this one. And go to databases. And add database. So let's say first. Okay, first WP. So we will create a database password. Okay, we'll just paste a secure password here and click save. Okay, so be sure you know your database password and your database name. Then we will open a new tab. So let's go to File Manager. And here we can upload a WordPress file. So let's go to wordpress.org. Then go to get WordPress and okay, let's go back. Okay, we will just click this folder and we will upload our WordPress. So we'll just copy the link and we'll just paste it here. And we will just click upload. Okay, now let's open this one and just click extract. And we will open our WordPress file and we will select all. And okay, we will copy or move. Then just click apply. So we will choose our domain folder and just okay, so we'll just click move and just click OK. Okay, so let's go back to our domain folder. And you can see here that the WordPress files are moved. So we will remove this bulma.min.css and index.html. So we'll just remove this one. And also a copy for our WordPress zip. So we will delete that one. Okay, so now it's time to open our website. So let's open this in a new tab and we will configure this setup. So choose a language and let's go. So for the database name, we'll just copy this one. Paste it here for username. This one. And password. So the password you have created earlier. And database host is localhost. So just click submit. And we will run the installation. So let's set this to first. WP site on KeyHelp. So we'll add a username. We'll set a password and your email. So just click install WordPress. And now we have successfully installed WordPress, and you can now customize your WordPress website. So now you have your first WordPress website on KeyHelp. So if you want to add more, so we'll add another website. So let's go back to database. We will add another database. Okay, second WP, and set a password and click save. So now we have created the second database. We will add another domain. So let's go to domains, then click add domain, and we'll use webshop.space. Disable this one for security. Let's go to let's encrypt, and be sure you have your A records ready. So I have added my A record pointed to my server IP, and all good. And we'll click save. Okay, let's refresh. And our second domain is ready. So we will go to file manager, or you can just go here. Just click this folder. And we will upload the WordPress. We'll use URL. And just click upload. And we will extract this. Okay, let's open our, but first, okay, so we'll just remove this one quickly. Let's open our WordPress file, and we will move this one. So let's select all, copy, move, and apply. Choose move and select the folder of the second website. So just click OK. Okay, so let's go back to our main folder. So we will delete this empty folder first. And we will open our domain and choose a language. Okay, let's go. So database name is, so let's go back to the database. So this is the database 2. Same with username, and for password, paste your database password and just click submit. And let's run the installation. Okay, that will be second WP on KeyHelp. Okay, let's set our username and our password. So our email, and just install WordPress. Okay, let's log in. And welcome to your second WordPress website. So now you can configure your WordPress website. You can add themes and upload your content and install plugins, add users. So let's try to add a theme. So let's find Cadence. Okay, let's install this one and let's activate. Okay, let's install starter templates. Okay, let's install a pre-theme. So let's say this cornerstone. Okay, we'll click next and finish and launch. Okay, let's see our site, and we have installed a theme on our second WordPress site. Okay, that's it. This is how to self-host multiple WordPress website on one dedicated server. Or you can also use a VPS. And if you have any questions, just comment them down on the comment section, and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.